Hey guys, it's Tony with Peaceful Living. I am sorry I haven't been on for a while, but anyways, today I am going to make what I call a Happy Feet Fizzy Foot Soak, right? So I'm putting some gifts together for a friend of mine, and I thought I'd share this with the group. So hopefully you enjoy it. Easy to make, really cute. I am not at all, if you know me, I am not at all a crafty person, but I do know how to make some oily stuff, and just a simple ball jar, some twine, yeah, so it should come out really cute. So anyways, hope everybody enjoys it. It's simple. All we need is some Epsom salts, some pink sea salt, that's just to add some color to the mix. Some citric acid, which you can see I buy it by a lot because I make the toilet bombs and bath bombs and anyway, especially for the holidays. So citric acid and baking soda, which by the way, most of this stuff you can buy on Amazon. So anyways, let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we need to do is add 1 cup of baking soda. So I just have a regular old bowl, and we are going to take baking soda and add a cup. Hi, Carrie. Hi, Diane. I know this is a bit impromptu. Normally I try to put notifications out there if I'm going to go live. But I thought, well, I'm going to put together a little gift bag for a friend of mine, and this is one of the items that are going in it. This homemade stuff is really great. So I thought I'd share. So we're going to put in baking soda. We're putting in 1 cup of baking soda. When I got this bag, I don't know if you guys, if you're following me, you know that a while back I ordered baking soda on Amazon, and I got this huge bag, and I thought, I'm never going to use this huge bag. Well, here you do. It's amazing how quickly you use it. So easy. 1 cup of baking soda into the bowl. Epsom salt, we are going to put 1/4 cup of fine Epsom salt. So we've already put in 1 cup of baking soda. I'm actually putting in 1/2 cup of fine Epsom salt. And 1/4 cup of pink sea salt. This is optional. I'm putting it in because it's going to be pretty and add a little color to it. And then I'm going to mix in some organic tea. So this could be any kind of tea that you have at the house. I just happen to have a little bit of organic peace tea. So I'm going to, again, this is for color and to make it look pretty in the glass jar. I don't put too much in there because I've received some of these in the past, and you put too much of this in there and it's a nightmare to clean up. So what we're making today, so for people that are just tuning in, I am making what I call Happy Feet Fizzy Foot. Get it in front of me so I remember the name of it. So Happy Feet Fizzy Foot Soak. Say that 3 times. We've added 1 cup of baking soda, 1/2 cup of citric acid, 1/2 cup of fine Epsom salt, and 1/4 cup of pink sea salt, which is optional, and just a couple pinches of tea, like a dry leaf tea, just to add some color. So then we just mix it up. You can see it. There we go. See if you can see that. You don't want too much, as I said, of the tea in there because you don't want it to overtake it. You just want to have it for some color, and same with the pink Epsom salt. Oh, I don't know if you can hear that in the background. We have some thunder. All right, so again, we're making Happy Feet Fizzy Foot Soak with Tony at Peaceful Living Organics. Hopefully you enjoy the page and follow the page. You know I'm all about essential oils and chemical-free living. So the last thing we're going to do, we've already added, for those who just joined, 1 cup of baking soda, 1/2 cup of citric acid, 1/2 cup of fine Epsom salt, and 1/4 cup of pink sea salt. Again, just to add some color. A couple pinches of some dry leaf tea that I have in the house just to kind of make it pretty, because it's going to go into a simple glass ball jar. So you want it to look pretty from the inside out. And now we're going to add the essential oil. Bear with me one sec. Which we're going to put in there. Okay. Simple, simple. I am going to put 20 drops of Young Living peppermint oil in, and again, because this is for the feet, so it helps the feet feel good and invigorated and that cooling sensation. So I'm going to put 20 drops of that in. And I'm going to put 20 drops of lavender, because you can't make foot soak without putting lavender in there. So you get the relaxation of it, and of course everyone who knows anything about lavender knows it's good for the skin, and the peppermint will add the cooling sensation to the feet. This is a Happy Feet Fizzy Foot Soak. I should have picked something else easier to name it. Okay. So we've added our essential oil, just mixing it, and again, it's just a simple, easy to make DIY for a gift. It's real pretty because it's got the pink in it. You can see the pink sea salt in it, a little bit of the tea, but not too much. Again, because we don't want the tea to overtake the look. And look how simple, right? You take a glass jar, make sure you kind of, as in with like cake batter, right? We want to take all the chunks out of it. So, because when you put the oil in, it will clump. So you don't want clumps in your foot soak. Hopefully you can see that. Okay, so I'll show that to you. So this is the next size up. I can't tell you the size, but it's the next size up from the jam jar, because I didn't want to get too small, because it is a foot soak. I bought these little guys. These are just like little scoopy things. I bought them on Amazon. I want to say they were like 10 for $2. Had my husband drill a little hole in it so I can tie it. So the idea here would be to put the top on. And again, I apologize because I am probably the least crafty person I know. But I just think this kind of stuff is simple and cute. And we'll just tie the little scoop to the jar, put a little Happy Feet label on it, and ta-da! We have a cute little DIY gift made with Young Living essential oil, so I know there's no chemicals in it. Again, the recipe on this, and I'll post it later, is 1 cup. I think I would know this by heart by now. 1 cup of baking soda, half a cup of citric acid, half a cup of extra fine Epsom salt, and some pink, 1/4 cup I put in there, but you can put whatever you want. Some pink sea salt in there, again, just to add color, and a couple pinches of some dried leaf tea. And there we go. We have Happy Feet Fizzy Foot Soap. Hope you enjoyed that, guys. Hope you have a great day. And I don't know if you can hear that outside. We're getting our typical Florida afternoon monsoon. But anyways, thanks for joining. Hope you have a great day.